One of the biggest mistakes that I see women make is that they try to help everyone. They say things like, well, I could help women, I could help moms, I could help Christians, I could help entrepreneurs, I could help anybody that just needs more confidence. The problem is that when you're trying to help everybody, you're not connecting with anyone. So today I'm going to help you discover who exactly that you're meant to help. Here's a hint. You probably already know her. Hi, I'm Ashley. If we haven't met yet, I help women entrepreneurs stop second guessing themselves and build meaningful online businesses around their own experiences. This is part 3 of the clarity framework that we use inside Powerfully Her. In part 1, we stopped asking, what should I sell? In part 2, we uncovered those experiences and lessons that make you uniquely qualified. Now it's time to answer one of the most important questions that you'll ever ask in your business. Who am I here to help? So the biggest myth here is that most coaches tell you to invent your avatar, right? What's her age? What's her income? Maybe her favorite coffee drink, her hobbies, whatever. Honestly, I've never felt that was particularly helpful. Instead, I want you to remember someone, the woman that you used to be. The woman that you used to be often becomes the woman that you are meant to help. Think back 6 months, 2 years, 5 years, maybe even 10 years ago. Who were you then? What kept you up at night? What did you struggle with? What did you ask Google about? What did you pray for? What did you wish that someone would have told you? That's where all your clarity begins. She does not need a guru. Here's something that I wish someone would have told me years ago. The woman that you're meant to help is not looking for someone who's perfect. She's not looking for someone who's done everything right. She's looking for someone who understands what she's going through. Someone who can say, yeah, I've been there. Think about it. When you're looking at like the experts online, do you connect with them? Or when you see somebody who's maybe just a couple steps ahead of you and they're not perfect. You see flaws in their program. You see flaws in anything that they do, just little things, right? But seeing that makes them more human to you and more relatable, and you feel connected. So think about that, how you look at the people that you admire. That's what somebody's looking at you for. That kind of connection is so much more powerful than being like the smartest person in the room, being that expert. So let's say that your past self was a woman that was overwhelmed trying to figure out her online business. Now go one step deeper. Was she afraid of being visible? Was she constantly buying courses and never taking action? Trying affiliate marketing and wishing that she could make something of her own. Watching that other woman that has made something of her own, wishing that you could do it too. Tired of feeling like, God, everybody else seems to have it figured out. The more clearly that you can describe her, the more that she'll feel like you're speaking directly to her. And when someone feels understood, they're more likely to trust you. So remember this, your goal isn't to attract everybody. Your goal is to become the guide that you wish you had. Because there are women that are asking the same questions that you once asked. They're crying the same tears, feeling the same fear, praying the same prayers. They don't need someone that's 20 years ahead. They're looking for someone who's just a couple steps ahead and willing to reach back and say, come with me. So now that you know what you've learned and who you're meant to help, we can finally answer the question that everyone wants to start with. What should I actually create? Should it be a course, a digital product, a community? And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in part 4. So if you're realizing you finally know who you want to help, but you want to know if your idea is actually a good one, that's exactly what we do inside of our Courageously Her community. Women get to share ideas before spending months spinning their wheels. You'll get feedback from me and Judy and all of the other women in the community. Sometimes a couple moments of honest feedback or a good conversation can save you months of building the wrong thing. And it can give you confidence to move towards the right thing. I'd love to have you join us. The link is in the description below. And I would love to hear from you. Who is that woman that you feel most called to help? Tell me about her in the comments. Not her age, not her income. Tell me what she's struggling with. Because I have an idea that she's a lot more like you than you realize. And I will see you in part 4 of our Clarity Framework.